Hello, sir.
Yes.
You manager from company Indraman Jaya?
Yes, I am a manager in the company in Damai. Why did you come here?
I come here for apply for job. Yes, of course. My name is Muhammad Satrio Faik. You can call me Satrio.
Yes.
I'm 20 years old. I just graduated from Pasuruan One State Vocation High School in majoring in analytical chemistry.
Yes.
My current daily right now is exploring graphic design. My consider myself creative and like things every day. Thank you.
What department do you apply?
I'm really interested in designing. So I applied for product design position.
Yes. Why are you interested on?
It's all because I really making interesting design. I heard the news that I was the born a designer.
Okay. Why do you want to work for this company?
Because this company is very good reputation and also has a very important career.
Okay, yes, yes. So what offers it? So what kind of offers do you want?
Saya ulang mas,
I love
saya ya.
overtime work also.
Ayo tayo.
Okay. How short is your paper and industry?
Research company and
Yes.
dress professionally.
Okay. What is your portfolio?
A collection for eye-based work.
Okay. What is your company theory?
Correct. At real environment, usually 3 until 6 more.
What factor affect your salary?
Role, skills, and experience.
How much salary you expect?
Salary I expect is $10,000 per month.
Thank you for the interview. I will contact you soon.
Yes, thank you, sir.